Hi, today we're going to continue our dissection of the lower extremity of the calf.
SARTORIUS.
In the lower extremity, we're going to start with the sartorius muscle. So the sartorius is right along the fascia line here. And we'll use a probe, make a small incision, use the probe to separate it. This muscle, number 13, is the sartorius.
Gracilis.
Our next muscle is the gracilis. And that's going to be number 14.
Semitendinosus.
For the semitendinosus, we'll clear out the fascia here. And number 15 is a semitendinosus.
SEMIMEMBRANOSIS.
Our next muscle is going to be the semimembranosis. So we actually have to cut the gracilis muscle. And then as we peel that back, semimembranosis will be underneath.
Tensor fascia lata.
Okay, in order to get to the tensor fascia lata, we have to cut along the fascia lines of the sartorius, and then we'll peel the sartorius muscle back. Tensor fascia lata, part of it's going to be muscle, part of it's fascia. So we'll cut along the tensor fascia lata. And it'll be this muscle right here. You'll see part of it is fascia, part of it's muscle. Number 17.
Vastus medialis.
For the vastus medialis, that muscle is going to be medial, inside the thigh. So we cut along this fascia line here. You can use your probe This is the medialis. This is the vastus medialis, number 18.
Rectus femoris.
Our next muscle, rectus femoris. This muscle right here. Number 19.
Vastus lateralis.
Going lateral, our next muscle is going to be the vastus lateralis on a lateral aspect of the thigh. And that will be number 20.
Vastus intermedius.
Our next muscle is going to be a deep muscle, one of the deeper muscles in the thigh. It's the vastus intermedialis, and it's going to be located right here. You have to peel back the vastus medialis and the rectus femoris, and this deep muscle right here, which will be marked letter A, is the vastus intermedialis.
Gastrocnemius.
Our next muscle is the gastrocnemius. And that's this large calf muscle. So that will be marked letter B.
Soleus.
Our next muscle is going to be the soleus. So we have to go feather this muscle away from the gastrocnemius, and we will mark it letter C.
Calcaneal tendon.
The last structure we're going to label today is the calcaneal tendon, which I will label with the letter D.